Do you have a cell phone or computer that needs fixing? Are you looking to purchase a new phone without signing a contract? At Mobilecom, we provide the freedom to choose the phone and service you want without needing a provider, while also offering expert repairs on your cell phone or computer. Whether you want to trade in a phone for an upgrade or simply get your device fixed, we offer it all under one conveniently located roof. Our friendly and professional staff create a hassle-free environment, ensuring that your experience will go as smoothly and easily as possible. We will go out of our way to provide the best solution for you without having to take out that second mortgage. Bring in your phones, working or not, for an upgrade or repair. Here's the best part. New and used phones with monthly service start at just $30. Drop your phone into your drink at dinner? It's not hopeless. We can resurrect 50% of all water-damaged phones. And even better, it's only $35. Don't forget your computer. If you accidentally stepped on it last night in the dark, we can replace LCD screens and perform system upgrades. How much? Great question. It's only $45 to start, depending on the extent of the damage. And don't worry, we care about our customers and make it our goal to complete all repairs within 24 hours. And we promise the fastest, friendliest phone calls and customer service available. So when you're trying to read through the cracks on your computer or mobile device, call us. We can take care of you. Don't sit by your bowl of rice praying that the phone will dry out. Come to us at Mobilecom and don't worry about it. We've got this. Call us at 619-303-9846 or 619-600-9191.